coming from day 3 from the Louisville Equip Expo show here in Kentucky. We're A-iPower, booth number 592. Today I want to show our new model, our GSX11300RT. As you can see, this unit is a tri-fuel unit, gasoline, LPG, and natural gas. Gives you the options to run on all. This is electric start, and it has a push start right here, and it also comes equipped with remote, so which makes it very convenient to use. And the options with the additional fuels, ideal for backup power, for when you have power outages. This gives you extended runtime. Many nice features. It has the 50 amp plug for running your entire house almost with the 11,000 watt unit. It comes equipped with RV adapters. It comes equipped with GFCI protected outlets. It has the USB ports, and it also has the car charger port for your convenience. It has a push button start right here. It has an extended 9.5 gallon run time gasoline tank that gives you extended run time on it. Plus, the unit has over here, if you can see on this side, it has the fuel selector valves, which are nice and big and very easy and convenient to use. And on the other side, let me show you this. Has a nice big handle and stuff, very convenient to move, easy to maneuver around. Again, come visit us at the Louisville show, booth 592.